In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to Calendar. By the end, your Excel events will appear directly inside Google Calendar without retyping anything. First, launch Excel on your device. If you are on Windows, open it from the Start menu. On a Mac, open it from Launchpad or your Applications folder. When Excel opens, you should see either a blank workbook option or a list of recent files in the Start screen. Next, open an existing Excel workbook or create a new one. Then make a clean table with strict headers in row 1. In a new file, choose a blank workbook, then click into cell A1 and type your first header. Typical headers for calendar imports are things like subject, start date, start time, end time, and description. Each header must be in its own column, and every row under those headers should follow the same pattern. Make sure there are no completely empty header cells, and avoid merged cells in this table. A common beginner mistake is leaving stray notes or titles above row 1, which can confuse the import, so keep row 1 as the very first line of your table. Now click File in the top left corner of Excel. You should see the File menu or Backstage view open, with options like Save, Save As, and Open listed on the left side. If you do not see File, check that Excel is the active window. From there, click Save As and choose CSV, delimited star.csv. Pick a folder where you can easily find the file later, such as your desktop or documents. In the Save As type dropdown, select CSV, delimited, then give your file a clear name like Calendar Events. When you save, Excel will warn you that some features might be lost, because CSV only keeps plain text and numbers. That is normal for this process, since Google Calendar only needs the data, not formulas or formatting. After saving, your CSV file will appear in the folder you selected. After that, open Google Calendar on the web. In your browser, go to the Google Calendar page and sign in if needed. You should see your month, week, or day view with your existing events and your list of calendars on the left panel. With Calendar open, click the gear icon for settings. The gear icon is usually in the top right corner of the calendar page. When you click it, a small menu appears, showing options including settings. This takes you to the main configuration area for your calendars. Next, click Import and Export. Upload your CSV file and select the target calendar. On the Settings page, find the Import and Export option in the left menu and click it. In the Import section, choose Select File from your computer and pick the CSV file you saved from Excel. Then open the Calendar drop-down and choose which calendar should receive these events, such as your main calendar. Finally, click the button to start the import, and you will see a short message telling you how many events were added. You just exported events from Excel as a CSV file and imported them into Google Calendar, so your spreadsheet schedule now lives on your calendar. If this helped you get your Excel data into Calendar smoothly, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you are welcome to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.